Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head. The Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, or as I like to call it, Big Holy, and the DEERC D20 mini drone, aka Lil DEERC. Who will win the battle of the skies? Let's find out. Big Holy costs a whopping $249. That's like buying a small island in the drone world. Meanwhile, Lil DEERC is just $69. That's less than what some people spend on coffee in a week. If you're balling on a budget, Lil DEERC has got you covered. But you know what they say? You get what you pay for. Or do you? Big Holy comes with a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. It's like having a tiny Spielberg flying around capturing your life in glorious high definition. Meanwhile, Lil DEERC has a 720p HD camera. It's like comparing a Hollywood blockbuster to a home video from the 90s. If you're serious about your aerial photography, Big Holy is the way to go. But hey, if you just want to see your neighbor's dog from above, Lil DEERC will do just fine. Now, let's talk about flight features. Big Holy is like the James Bond of drones. It's got GPS-assisted intelligent flight, so it won't get lost even if you do. It can follow you, fly along a set path, or even circle around a point. Reviewers love its stability and advanced features. Lil DEERC, on the other hand, is more like your enthusiastic little cousin. It's got fun features like 3D flips and voice control. You can tell it to take off or land, and it'll obey like a well-trained puppy. For advanced flight capabilities, Big Holy takes the cake. But for pure, unadulterated fun, Lil DEERC is your guy. Battery life is crucial. Big Holy comes with 2 intelligent batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film your entire neighborhood's reaction to your new drone. Reviewers note its impressive battery life but long charging time. Lil DEERC, on the other hand, offers 20 minutes with its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to impress your friends with some cool flips before it needs a nap. If you're planning a drone marathon, Big Holy wins. But if you're just looking for a quick joyride, Lil DEERC will suffice. Let's talk about ease of use. Big Holy is packed with multi-sensors and optical flow positioning, making it easier to control even for beginners. It's like having a drone with a PhD. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly controls and stability. Lil DEERC is super simple to operate too, with one key start, landing, and altitude hold. It's like the Fisher-Price of drones. Easy and fun for all ages. So if you're a newbie, either one will do the trick. But Big Holy has that extra edge for more serious drone enthusiasts. Safety first, folks. Big Holy has an emergency stop, electric fence, and low battery return home feature. It's like having a drone with a built-in guardian angel. Reviewers highlight its reliable safety features. Lil DEERC also has an emergency stop, low power alarm, and propeller guards to keep things safe. It's like having a drone with training wheels. Both are pretty safe. But Big Holy has that extra layer of security for those longer, more adventurous flights. Reviewers generally find Big Holy to be a solid, feature-packed drone with impressive stability and camera quality, suitable for both beginners and advanced users. On the other hand, Lil DEERC is praised for being a fun, budget-friendly option that's perfect for beginners and kids, though it may struggle in windy conditions. So, there you have it. Big Holy is like the luxury sedan of drones. Packed with features, high performance, but comes at a higher price. Lil DEERC is your fun, budget-friendly option, perfect for beginners and kids. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart. Product links are in the description.